Hello, I'm Nichelle Bethune, one of 4 security staff assigned to Evergreen High School. Today, I want to tell you about one of 2 levies Evergreen Public Schools has on the February 11th ballot. The Educational Programs and Operations Levy, or EP&O Levy, will replace an expiring levy passed in 2022. It is not a new tax. In addition to paying for extracurricular activities like athletics, music, and theater programs, it also pays for teachers, principals, counselors, safety and security staff, as well as school support staff like school secretaries and paraeducators. Here's an example of how this levy bridges the gap between what the state of Washington provides for education and what it costs to operate our schools. The state provides funding for about 4 full-time security staff. Levy funds are used to pay for the 32 other security positions in our district, including 4 at each comprehensive high school and security staff at schools throughout the district, who are tasked with keeping students, staff, and visitors safe during the school day and at school events. For more information on these levies, please visit the district website at evergreenps.org/levy. And please remember to vote on February 11th. Thanks for watching.